In today's world, masculine discipline is less about dominance and more about consistent growth, resilience, and accountability.
The masculine mind thrives when routines are clear, goals are specific, and failures are analyzed without self-attack. Anecdote from a former athlete who trains at 5 a.m., journals, and uses micro goals to build endurance, focus, and leadership. Practical tips include a 30-day habit sprint, progress tracking, constructive feedback, and honest conversations about feelings. The result is a strong man who blends courage, empathy, and discipline to influence positive change at home, work, and in the community.